Hi. Court is calling 2022 CR 2810, State of Texas versus Nicholas Aguilar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett. Oh, sure. You don't have that.
Oh, what the? Okay. I was like, what the heck? I was like, curses. It's my blind spot because
Yeah, you really can't see there. You've got a lot of screens around you.
And you know what's so funny? This one here has I have no control. I don't even know why that's here. Why don't they put it
Does it
down
show
there?
anything? Does it show anything?
Oh, yeah, it does. And it's supposed to show exhibits that the state is entering, but sometimes it doesn't work. It's time for it to be changed, but you know how it is.
Well, I saw on the news last night that the chief financial officer for the county had spent over $14,000 on a door so he could go outside and smoke. Yeah. And when they're filming him on his porch on the top floor,
Yeah.
he sees the camera and he does one of these. He ducks behind the wall. It was hysterical.
Well, do you know, I'm trying to get light bulbs.
Yeah. You know, it's interesting you say that because I was just in the 227 and it seems much brighter in there.
Mhm.
So
No, I've been complaining about these light bulbs forever.
I don't think I'm fixing it. I mean, what does it take? 5 minutes to come and replace
Mhm.
those?
And you know, I said, I will put the light bulbs up, and they said, no, you can't allow that.
We'll call Mariah Mendoza. She's the one that did the report on David Smith last night.
Mhm.
And we can maybe get him on the light bulb issue.
Oh, I should. All right, court is calling 2022 CR 2810, State of Texas versus Nicholas Aguilar. For the state
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
defense.
John Kuntz for Mr. Aguilar.
All right, and excuse me, if you all are speaking, if you could move to the end. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Aguilar, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you
Yes.
understand it?
Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
we do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Aguilar, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 2 over 400 grams? That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you enter a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes and yes.
Mr. Aguilar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No,
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
absolutely.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication and there's restitution to SAP for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions
No, Your Honor.
outside the agreement? State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 7 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 220 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I do.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
State any evidence
Yes, Your Honor, state exhibit number 1 with all this attachments.
We have no objections. We reviewed them.
showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations? Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We would request that, Judge,
And
yes.
anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, we're very grateful that the state was able to finally offer him deferred, and I've explained to my client the importance of doing everything on time and not having any violations because of the gravity of this level of offense if he does screw up. And so we would just request that you follow this. I've also explained to him that if he is completing everything successfully with no violations, that we might be able to come back and approach you about terminating his probation early.
All right, does anybody have any idea what the cost of the drug testing?
I told him it's probably gonna be a lot because as you saw that lab test, I'm sure it's gonna be several hundred, but I don't.
Yeah, Judge, the state's not aware of the exact cost of that.
I've seen as high as over $1,000 recently. So yeah, I just don't know.
All right, what is the court cost for this? It's a first-degree felony. Do you have any children?
I do not.
All right. Are you employed?
I am self-employed, Your Honor.
Doing what?
I do detailing in vehicles.
Is that business registered?
Yes,
It's
it
either
is.
yes or no.
Yes, it is.
All right, your court costs of $375. Will you be able to pay that over installments?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. Restitution, if any, to SAPD. 300 hours of community service restitution. The court is not waiving those. You can talk with probation about different places you can have community service. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be no contact with Victor Hernandez. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'll be clean, Your Honor.
Have you ever used drugs?
I have in the past, yes. I don't smoke, though.
What have you used?
Oh, I've smoked before. I don't smoke now, though.
What does that mean you've smoked?
I smoked marijuana before.
All right. Going to do a TAP evaluation. Follow all recommendations. And with regards to the community service hours, counsel, if he wants to pay those off,
Okay.
the court will let him pay those off at $9 an hour.
Okay, I'll explain that to him, Judge. Thank you.
And I always suggest to people the food bank, but if there's some other charity you would like to see and it's on the approved list, you can send it there, but not the human fund. All right.
That's
Is
a
there-
Seinfeld reference.
Yes.
Okay.
Is there anything else, Ms. Abrams, that he needs?
No. Tell me again, the no contact with Victor,
Hernandez.
nothing else. But
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
Because this is the plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes,
All right, we can go off the record from here on out. You know what every question you need to ask yourself? Is this something that I'm doing that could potentially result in me being revoked? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If the answer is maybe, don't do it. Because what should be at the forefront of your mind, like if you're not reporting, you know what, I'm gonna let that slide. Maybe they're not gonna do anything. You need to ask yourself, is this worth potentially going to prison for the rest of my life?